Hi guys, today we'll do unboxing of NPFV-70 rechargeable battery. This is basically used for cameras. So this I bought it for $10 from Amazon. So this can be used for Sony and many other cameras. It can be used, and I mainly bought it for my Sony AX53 camera. So this gives 3800 milliampere of power, and so this can around it gives 4 hours of battery for handycam. I'm thinking so, and you can see clearly the labels and all. And and also this back side also. So let me see what is there inside the box. So this is what I got. This is what is there inside. You can see that and so I want to test it today. So let me try today, and let me see how it is beneficial. How much battery life it has. I'm hoping that it's a good one. Let me check it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.